Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Improving health and fitness, 7 tips for eating well. The key to a healthy diet is to eat the right amount of calories, for how active you are so you balance the energy you consume with the energy you use. If you eat or drink more than your body needs, you'll put on weight because the energy you do not use is stored as fat. If you eat and drink too little, you'll lose weight. You should also eat a wide range of foods to make sure you're getting a balanced diet, and your body is receiving all the nutrients it needs. Here are 7 tips for healthy eating. Number 1. Do not skip breakfast. Some people skip breakfast because they think it'll help them lose weight. But a healthy breakfast high in fiber and low in fat, sugar and salt can form part of a balanced diet, and can help you get the nutrients you need for good health. A whole grain lower sugar cereal with semi-skimmed milk, and fruit sliced over the top is a tasty and healthier breakfast. Number 2. Do not get thirsty. You need to drink plenty of fluids to stop you getting dehydrated. The government recommends drinking 6 to 8 glasses every day. This is in addition to the fluid you get from the food you eat. All non-alcoholic drinks count, but water, lower fat milk and lower sugar drinks, including tea and coffee, are healthier choices. Try to avoid sugary soft and fizzy drinks, as they're high in calories. They're also bad for your teeth. Number 3. Get active and be a healthy weight. As well as eating healthily, regular exercise may help reduce your risk of getting serious health conditions. It's also important for your overall health and well-being. Being overweight or obese can lead to health conditions, such as type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, heart disease and stroke. Being underweight could also affect your health. Number 4. Eat less salt. No more than 6 grams a day for adults. Eating too much salt can raise your blood pressure. People with high blood pressure are more likely to develop heart disease or have a stroke. Even if you do not add salt to your food, you may still be eating too much. About 3/4 of the salt you eat is already in the food when you buy it, such as breakfast cereals, soups, breads and sauces. Number 5. Eat more fish, including a portion of oily fish. Fish is a good source of protein, and contains many vitamins and minerals. Aim to eat at least 2 portions of fish a week, including at least 1 portion of oily fish. Oily fish are high in omega-3 fats, which may help prevent heart disease. You can choose from fresh, frozen and canned, but remember that canned and smoked fish can be high in salt. Most people should be eating more fish, but there are recommended limits for some types of fish. Number 6. Base your meals on higher fiber starchy carbohydrates. Starchy carbohydrates should make up just over 1/3 of the food you eat. They include potatoes, bread, rice, pasta and cereals. Choose higher fiber or whole grain varieties, such as whole wheat pasta, brown rice or potatoes with their skins on. They contain more fiber than white, or refined starchy carbohydrates, and can help you feel full for longer. Number 7. Eat lots of fruit and veg. It's recommended that you eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and veg every day. They can be fresh, frozen, canned, dried or juiced. A portion of fresh, canned or frozen fruit and vegetables is 80 grams. A portion of dried fruit is 30 grams. A 150 milliliters glass of fruit juice, vegetable juice or smoothie also counts as 1 portion, but limit the amount you have to no more than 1 glass a day, as these drinks are sugary and can damage your teeth.